All right, hello everyone. We are going to do some math. And we're going to do math today, addition on a number line. So get ready. I am using the Numberline app. And there's just a line on here. But if I wanted to actually get some numbers, I could get whole numbers going by ones right there for myself, ready to go. Okay, now we're going to look at two problems. And one of them is going to be a little mild, level 1, and then the next one's going to be a step up from that. Okay, a little spicier to the mouth. All right, actually to the math. Okay, so let's look at our first problem, and our first problem is a situation that you may have heard, and it is you have 24 bucks, and your grandma came and gave you some more money. Oh, she is so nice. How much did she give you? You might already know. $32. So now the question is, how much do you have now? Well, yeah, you might already know the answer, but we're going to show that answer on this number line. So when I'm working with the number line, I could start at 0 and I could hop all the way to 24, because there's that number right there, 24, and then go 32 more. Like, I could totally do that. Or I could just start, let me erase this. I could just start my number line instead of at 0. I can just start my number line at the bigger number. So take a look, 24 and 32. Which one is bigger? All right, you got it. So I'm going to go down here to my number line and say start at the bigger number. So I have to write that in, 32. Okay, clear all items, and I'm going to start it at 32. You see that? 32, it's right here. Boom! But now, what do I need to add to that 32? I need to add 24 to it, right? Because we had 24 added to 32. So now I'm starting here at 32. And now this 24. Well, I could hop 24. I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my gosh, right? It's going to take a very long time. Or you could totally do that, but let's try and get quicker at it. Okay? We could hop. If I break this up, this 2 represents not just 2, that's 2 tens. Yes, that's 2 tens or 20. And the 4 is 4. It's not tens, it's just 4. So we have 24. So I could hop 2 tens first. So let me try this in blue. So I'm going to go from 32, I'm going to hop a 10. 32, and then I go to what? 42. 2. I hopped a 10. I went from 3 tens to 4 tens. So I'd say here's my 10. And now I'm going to hop another 10 because I want to go 2 tens. So 42, where am I going to go? Not 43. Not 49. I'm going to 50. 50 what? 52. I stick with that 2. I just want another 10. So now I've gone a total of 2 tens. I've done that. But now I still need to go how many more? 4 more. So here I go. Now I could just go 1, 2, 3, 4. And each of these are just ones, little 1 jumps. And there I have it. The answer of 56. Okay? And you know what? You don't even have to have all these numbers on your lines if you don't want. So I'm going to start this over and show you that. So on the number line, I could say I don't want any marks on there, and I'm going to do it myself. So I take out my pen, and it was 24, yes, plus 32. And now I'm just going to say, all right, I'm going to start it at the bigger number, 32. And I'm not going to write all those numbers on my number line. I'm just going to show my jump of 10. And I added 10. And I landed at something 2. Not 32 now. I landed at 42. But I don't just want it. So here's 32. I'm trying to go 24 more. So I need to go 20. So 10. And then I need another 10 to be a total of 20. And now here I'm at something 2. So instead of 30 to 42, I'm at 52. Now it's super fun jumping tens. But the thing is, we're done with tens because we just jumped our 2 tens. And now we have 4 more left to go. 4, just regular 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Or I could just do one jump of 4, add 4 more. And I know off the top of my head, 4 and 2, count on, 4, 5, 6. And I'd be at 56. I get the same answer, it's just I didn't have to write all the numbers on my number line. So let's check out one more. We'll get a little spicier. And remember, that's the total amount of money you got now since Grandma came. Now, what if we get to the push-up situation? And on Monday, you did 34 push-ups. And then on Tuesday, you did more. You beat your record. You got 38 push-ups. So now, Monday and Tuesday, how many total push-ups have you done so far this week? You've done a lot. Okay, and we can solve this on the number line again. Now, which one of these numbers are we going to start at? And I'm just going to keep this open number line this time. And I'm going to start at, which number do you think I'm writing? Awesome, 38. 38's the bigger number. I'm going to start there. And then, where do I hop? Instead of just going 34 all at once, I'm going to split this up. And what am I going to do here? This is 3 what? 3 tens. Okay? 3 tens. So I need to jump 3 tens, which is the same thing as 30. Now some of you might be able, instead of jumping 10, another 10, and another 10, and label these all tens. Some of you might just want to jump in that one big jump. So maybe you just want to say, I want to do it in one big jump of 30. So you would just label that 30. Okay? So then where are you going to land? Because you're not going to be at 48. So here we're at 48, 58, 68. Okay? So is that our answer? No, because we still have this part. So we took the 3 tens, but now we still have to go 4 more. So I'd go 4 more right here. Now there is a really lovely number that's really close to 68. It's a tens number. Which one is it? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Which one is it? It's 70. Sitting there going, I love you all. I'm a tens number. I'm so lovely. Well, from 68, how far is it to 70? Is it 4 away? It's not 4, but it's 2. So here, if I just go 2, I'll be at 70. But I need to go 4. So how many more do I need to go? I need to go another 2. Okay, so sometimes when you're hopping these extra numbers, it's nice to hit up a friendly number and give them a little high five. And say, love you, thank you. Or maybe you just want to go, boom, I'm going to hop 4. Or maybe you want to draw out every single jump. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's up to you. And where are we going to land? Not 71, but 72. Okay, so we have 72 total push-ups on Monday and Tuesday. Rock on. All right, good job with the number line.